Introducing the 2018 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.